CNLS Chairman Rotary K.R. Kapoor, respected DD Rotarian APS, IPDG Miran Khan Salim, DGM Abres Bansha, guest of honor Rotarian Nail Palsapurniya, my dear respected COG members, District Secretary Nattu, AE designates, President, Secretary-elects, clerk officers, district team members. எல்லோருக்கும் என்னுடைய இனிமையான காலை வணக்கம். So far our ARM team, under the able guidance of DG Gandhi Krishnan, has already conducted 3 aerial belt cells,